This is ridiculous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Also, don't mind my lashes. I was taking them off last night. So, so today's video is going to be a cooking vlog. Yeah, so I decided that the bitch finna learn how to cook. Hey, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna go to a store. I'm just getting ready right now. I'm wearing something very simple. Let me sit y'all down. Also, sorry for the bad lighting, but let me sit y'all down so y'all can see what I'm wearing, and then I'll tell y'all what we finna cook today. Okay. Low-key can't see the fit for real because my tripod's in the bathroom, but I got this Sesame Street jacket on from Amazon. I got a tank top on, just a basic plain tank top. And I gotta do acrobats, y'all. Hold on. Oh shit. And then I got just some regular plain sweats on. I did have a skirt on, but okay, y'all, that skirt does not flatter me at all. So now I gotta, do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair. Then I'll probably leave it out. What? I'm gonna do my hair, and then we'll be leaving out. Okay. Mwah. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Anyways, so now I'm ready. I'm in my car. Girl, why my mom talking about some? What you got going on? I just told you I'm finna go to the store. Hello. But these parents nowadays don't listen. You talking about some? You got a shirt on in there? Sure do get a shirt in there. Just cause you can't see it, don't mean I don't got one on. But yeah. Oh, let me tell y'all what the dish is tonight. Today's dish is drumroll please. Rotel dip. Y'all know if you black, you know. Even if you're not black, you should probably still know. But yeah. I make a rotel dip. I've got I mean honestly I really don't need a recipe, but I wrote one down just in case. I don't know. There's that. Also, I'm very hungry, which is probably not a good idea. They always say, never go to the store hungry, because then you pick up more than what you actually need. But I'm gonna be headstrong, and I know what I'm gonna get. So there's that, y'all. If I had a car mount, best believe, y'all, I would like put y'all on my dashboard, and then y'all can see me drive. But I gotta find one first. So there's that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna listen to my music, go to the store, and then I'll probably pick up some food. I don't know when I'm gonna make it because I do have work today. I gotta work at like 5:30, so I would have to cook the food obviously before that time frame. So there is that, but I ain't stressing. I ain't depressing. Well, I am depressing, but okay, I'm gonna see y'all in the store. Bye. All right, guys. So we're at the store. Okay, can't see what kind of store I'm at. I'm at Kroger's. Did I ever tell y'all that I was at Kroger's? I'm at Kroger's. So, finna get out. Finna shop. Y'all, I'm like low key still like sleeping. I'm like still tired. It shouldn't take me that long. And like I'm just not speaking English today. It's good. I like my tooth gems. That's cute. I took one of the flowers off because like my mouth was not getting used to the feeling of it of that one over there, and I was like I felt like it was gonna fall off anyways, so I just took it off. And yeah, I don't mind it though. I still like it even with one flower. It's cute. Blue theme. Maybe I should do a pink theme next. That'd be cute. Oh, you can see my mustache. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not the point. Point is, all right, we finna get out the car and we finish up. Low key nervous to go in here and speak to a camera, even though it's my phone, but like, you know, I'm just not comfortable with filming in public yet. So, wish me luck. So, I'll just turn the camera back on when I'm inside the store. Okay, guys, I'm in the store. I need to get a block of cheese. I need to get a block of cheese. I'm looking at the noodles right now. Like, you know what's some noodles? Okay, I need to get a block of cheese. Preferably the Velveeta. I don't even know where to find the block of cheese. I'm not gonna lie. I would think it's in the macaroni section. Bitch, I don't see it. Hold on. Or maybe let me just calm down and let me actually like look and see. Macaroni. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing it in this aisle. Okay, that's cool. It may be on the other aisle. I'm gonna go to the other aisle and see. Let's go check. Y'all, how do people like film in public and like not get embarrassed? Like every time I feel like someone's like looking at me, I feel like they're like, "Is this bitch recording?" Yes, I'm trying. I'm trying to be an influencer. No, no, I don't want to be that. But I'm trying to, you know, one of my dreams is that. Excuse me. Oh my goodness, like, oh, what the fuck? Maybe it's in this aisle. I don't know. Give me a second. And never mind, I found it. Excuse me. Hey, yes, sir. Hey, y'all be nice for a few minutes. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I got like 2 cans of the tomatoes, and then like, cheers, you saw that I couldn't film that if I wanted to. And now I gotta get like 1 pound of ground beef or turkey. Either one works. I just need a pound of it. So that's fine. Y'all, you think someone's ever made like um fucking what do you call it? Chicken rotel dip? Probably not. Huh? Okay. I'll clip that all there. Eh. Oh yeah. Let me see what we got. Oh no. Chips on beef. Okay. And my pound of ground beef. So I got the tomatoes, the cheese, ground beef. I just walked past the chips. No, not here. Make a rotel dip. You would think you would need the chips. Be smart. Go back to the aisle. Okay. Just gotta figure out what chips I want. Oh, this is nerve wracking for me. Also, I know this is not gonna be good. Good, cause I'm like not talking. Okay. Should I get the round ones or the squares? Or should I get the scoop? A scoop chip. I gotta figure that out. Everybody else, we got no chill. Y'all. Also, I know this angle is like not good. Please don't dock me. I need to get like low key need to get like an off brand. The Kroger brand. I think I need to get the Kroger brand. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Cool, cool. Chips. I really think that's all I need. I even yeah. I think I need anything else. Yeah, I think I'm good. Oh, actually, I need to get more creamer. So I do need to buy one more thing. So I'm gonna do creamer. I'm gonna check out. Maybe grab me some food, and then I'm gonna go back home and then show y'all all of that. See y'all later. Voiceover time. So I'm gonna show the seasonings. I put seasoning salt, onion powder. Y'all, this is my first ever voiceover on like a video. Garlic powder. Okay, these clips in between should not be this long. Paprika. I added way too much. I mean, not that much. And black pepper, of course. You see that up? The pan, the skillet's already gone. So it's kind of already cooking. Also, this is really hard to show y'all one-handed. I'm not gonna lie. But you're gonna chop up the meat as you see me doing here. Obviously, do it better than me because you have two hands to use. I was trying to film this for y'all and show y'all at the same time because my tripod was in the bathroom. So it's like, right? Oh, clip. We're gonna add canned tomato. I got 2 cans of the Rotel tomatoes. So that's the first can. Here's the second one. You're gonna see me draining out a little bit of juice. There's still juice in there, but yeah. I'm gonna add the second can. This is all personal preference. If you want to add 2 cans, you can. If you don't, 1 can should be just enough. This was some of the cheese I added. I added half of a block at the end, but that was like half of the half because I thought that half I did the first time was too much, but Yeah, so you're gonna add that in. You're gonna let the cheese melt. Yep, there you go. See, the cheese is all melted. In this clip, I didn't show it, but I did add the rest of the other half that I cut from the. Y'all, I'm not doing a good job explaining this, but I added the rest of the cheese that I didn't add before. And you're just gonna make sure you stir it up nice and good. Mine's a little liquidy because of all the liquids that was in mine. I didn't really like drain any of the juices out too good, but that's okay. I don't mind it. It still came out good in the end. So you're just gonna do like make sure everything's mixed, well blended, make sure everything's melted. Make sure nothing's sticking to the pan or anything. Make sure everyone's being one big happy family. No one's arguing. And that's it for this clip, right? You're gonna let it simmer. So you're gonna put it on low, let it simmer. Don't even know why I'm still stirring this. Honestly, you should be just putting the top back on in this section. But yeah. And that's it. Editing Nadia editing. I just wanted to say that I did forget to record myself eating the dip. Um only pointers, only thing I had issues with was I made it too spicy. I accidentally added way too much paprika. I added too much paprika. There we go. So it was spicier than I wanted it to be, but other than that, everything else came out perfectly just how I wanted it to. Also it's a bit more on the liquidy side, but that's my fault for not draining any of the juices out properly. So, but it's also personal preference if you want it to be a little bit more liquidy or less liquidy. You know, you can drain the juices out or not drain it out. That's all preference. But other than that, it was good. I give myself a 6 out of 10. And yeah, that's it. That's all. Take me,